Okay, we're on we already got step 1, 2, 3 done. We're going on 4. Nice thing, like spoken before, everything is coated. All the bags are coated and all the pieces are coated too. And you can tell all the holes are self-drilled and makes it super easy for things lining up. So now we're on to step 4 already. Okay, we're on step number 9. And step number 9 is the 17 going on top of the 10, and then 18 going on top of the 11. And we're just going to slide them in, and then the screws will go into the pre-drilled holes right there.
Right now we're on step 13. So we're finishing these side pieces. And that's on both sides. So now we just got the base finished. We put the long pieces in, and with the labeling with dowels and the other pieces, it has made it so easy to put together. Now we are finishing putting the side plate, or what it is like an extension to the island, in with these braces. Very easy to do with the markings and the right hardware. So as you see, we have the shelf holders in there. They're kind of like metal dowels, and you have a bigger shelf, and then you have a smaller shelf that fits in there. And you could do it either way. You could have the big one here, the smaller one there, or you could flip-flop them. I like the gold pulls that come with it. It looks very high end. It looks great with the black. We are getting ready to install the doors here, and I'll show you how we were able to install the drawer and how nice it is, how it comes out to a certain spot, and that's how far it comes out. You have lots of room in there to store things, and very easy closure. And then the doors are going to go right down there, and we'll show you that as soon as we get those on. And it is looking very high end, very nice. If you are looking for a island that has storage And spots over here, great places for cookbooks. You could even put spices in there. You could put towels in there, whatever you need for storage. There you see the leaf up, and there it is down. And with the hydraulic braces under there, very nice to have. And as you see, all you do is you are going to press these little levers, and then that's how you lower it. And then when you raise it up, it clicks right in there. So as you see, we have the sliding drawer, loving the gold handles, and then you have these that close with the magnetic hold. And then this is the shelf that I had on the other side, and I'm like, this doesn't seem right because it was so big or wide. Now there are 3 levels in there that you can adjust the shelf to your liking. But again, the gold handles, very nice looking. I also like just the indent on the sides. It just has an extra kind of high-end look to it. And again, on the both sides, you have the space for storage. And then on this side, you have the outlet where you can be charging. You have a USB outlet. You could have your toaster here. If you're not using it, you would be able to store it even in there, or any other appliances that you want to use. If you have a mixer, you could put a mixer in there and do your mixing up here. And then on this side, I showed you how this is the extension, and then if you have chairs to set here, and you could work here, kids could do their homework, you have your shelf here, and then you have your footboard, or I should say bar, really. So lots and lots of storage, very nice looking. I love the grains in the top. So if you are looking for a very nice island that is nice, big, substantial, and very high-end looking, I would highly suggest this.